camera hashiv. Faltje go unit fichet sa hoch, Unit 28. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of dealing with people, at Gaelic ritúne, and making arrangements.
To ask to speak to someone, you say, "I'm fud me brain ri. May I speak to?" followed by the person's name. I'm fud me brain ri. I'm fud me brain ri.
I'm fud me brain di ferracher.
Ferracher?
Sjoeg, I'm fud me brain dish.
Ha mi tulich. Ha ferracher een mooie draaste.
Ferracher. Farcher. I'm fud me brain ri ferracher. May I speak to Farcher?
Shug. That's right. Shug. Shug.
I'm fud me brainrish. May I speak to him? I'm fud me brainrish. I'm fud me brainrish.
Amui. Out. Amui. A ferracher amui and draaste. Farcher is out just now. A ferracher amui and draaste. A ferracher amui and draaste.
Fisker ma, skal wel moch.
Fisker ma, I'm fud me brain is een teacher ek doel ros.
Fud ich of minute. Fud ich of brain die. Hai je chien.
Tach believe.
Rish and teacher. To the teacher. Rish and teacher. I'm fud me brain rish and teacher ek doel ros. May I speak to Dougal Ross's teacher? I'm fud me brain rish and teacher ek doel ros. I'm fud me brain rish and teacher ek doel ros.
Furich of minach. Wait a minute. Furich of minach. Furich of minach. Furtish of breen ria. You may speak to her. Furtish of breen ria. Furtish of breen ria.
Matting va. I'm fud me brain dish vanager.
Gaan uit. Ga me tulich. Hai trang.
Kun je visa surd?
Bia sur ek da oor.
Gleva. Moran tang.
Kunja vissa sir. When will he be free? Kunja vissa sir. Kunja vissa sir.
And the reply, Be as sur ek da oor. He'll be free at 2 o'clock. In the following scenes, look out for eichkin. Eichkin. Footishev eichkin. You may see him. Footishev eichkin. Footishev eichkin.
And for a woman, it's a fechkin. A fechkin. Furtishiv a fechkin. You may see her. Furtishiv a fechkin. Furtishiv a fechkin.
Fisker ma, een fud me een dochter ma kajeken. Ha mi tulich. Ga nooit je weichking in Jew. Hai het verlaaf.
Fisker ma, I'm fud me een dochter nicht kastad eichkin.
Fudi? Fudi je weichking? So je me net.
Chanutchev eichkin and Jew. You may not see him today. Chanutchev eichkin and Jew. Chanutchev eichkin and Jew.
And the reason was, Hai falav. He's away. Hai falav. Hai falav.
Suyev minute. Have a seat for a minute. Suyev minute. Swyf minute.
To say you want to see someone, you say, ha me'r son, whoever it is, echgin. Ha me'r son, whoever it is, echgin. Ha me'r son, Archie MacLeod, echgin. I would like to see Archie MacLeod. Ha me'r son, Archie MacLeod, echgin. Ha me'r son, Archie MacLeod, echgin.
Or, Hammy son Breen, ri whoever it is. Hammy son Breen, ri Dolak. I would like to speak to Dolak. Hammy son Breen, ri Dolak. Hammy son Breen, ri Dolak.
Fisgid ma. Ha me'r son bring the Archie MacLeod.
Archie MacLeod, ha mi dwlich. Haid cwnjef yn draste.
Ha me'r son y manager echgin.
Ha mi dwlich. Chan je lie gobber yn dw. Bi is deich y marwch.
Gleva. Ik me addash y marach.
E fel y manager is deich. Ha mi son y feichging. Ha mi dwlich. Chan je lie deich yn dw. Cwnjef is i'r ash. Bi i'r ash y marwch.
Ek cynnyf, at a meeting. Ek cynnyf. Ek cynnyf.
Chaneli a gopper in Jew. She's not working today. Chaneli a gopper in Jew.
And the man said, Hik me rash amarach. I'll come back tomorrow. Hik me rash amarach. Hik me rash amarach.
The word for meet is cynnych. Cynnych. And to arrange to meet someone, you can say, Cat yn cynnych sin. Where will we meet? Cat yn cynnych sin. Cat yn cynnych sin.
Cat yn cynnig sy'n ma ha.
Kan ik me rut Ecken Station?
Gleva. Hi mi ek een station u ek och oorden.
Kan je me route? I'll meet you. Kan je me route? Ecken Station. I'll meet you at the station. Kan je me route? Ecken Station.
Another way of arranging to meet is to ask, Cat yn be you? Where will you be? Cat yn be you?
Hi mi yn noch gw ma ha.
Hi. Cat yn biw.
Bi mi et cawn yn raj.
Gleva. Hi mi is you.
Be me a cawn and Raj. I'll be at the end of the road. Be me a cawn and Raj. Be me a cawn and Raj. Remember the plural form of route is rave. Kan je me rave? I'll meet you. Kan je me rave? Kan je me rave?
It's your turn to have a go, using the informal forms. May I speak to Farcher? Food me breen riferecher. May I speak to Farcher? Food me breen riferecher.
Yes, you may. 30. Yes, you may. 30.
No, you may not. Chanut. No, you may not. Chanut.
May I see the teacher? Food me and teacher echking. May I see the teacher? Food me and teacher echking.
You may see her. 32 a feichking. You may see her. 32, a feichking.